I've been going for a minute, now I'm back on my bullshit. And I got a question. Why y'all wasn't telling me my motherfucking back was getting big? Why? Because I'm letting y'all know now y'all messy in a motherfucker, okay? Baby, I was chunky in a motherfucking ain't nobody said shit. Now, I've been working out, stomach gone and everything. But next time, let a motherfucker know when they motherfucking back get big. You feel me? The ass is definitely giving. Shorty had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. All right, let me stop playing. Your girl is getting some anxious, okay? I'm about to add them anxious in my hair and get to it. You feel me? Y'all already know who doing my motherfucking hair. Slay by Jordan, yes. But before we do that, let me take this scarf off, okay? Because my shit ain't been done in a while, so it probably looking fucked up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my God. I know you fucking lying to me, baby. I ain't know it looked that goddamn bad. Baby, the shrinkage is real. It's definitely giving Frederick Douglass' cousin. You know what I'm saying? My shit fucked up. I did not even know that. But still cute as fuck. Okay, on the shrinkage. And it look hella fucking damaged too. Now that I think about it. But y'all know I don't give a fuck about cutting my motherfucking hair. I don't care about no hair. But I ain't gonna do that today because I'm trying to get the anxious. You know what I'm saying? Now, y'all, I know y'all ain't seen me in a minute, so you know I got some tea for y'all. You get what I'm saying? But before I give y'all that tea, make sure y'all ain't got me on speakerphone. If I'm on speakerphone, take me off right now. You know what I'm saying? Now, since you took me off motherfucking speakerphone, you know what I'm saying? Let's talk, okay? Now, I ain't been watching no TV or nothing because I've been focused. But y'all know the streets is talking. You know what I'm saying? And y'all heard that shit about motherfucking Diddy? Okay? The boys, the men's is out here tussling, okay? They tussling in under the covers. They tussling in the streets. All of it, okay? Baby, it's definitely giving. Diddy hitting on everybody. And he humping on everybody. And they telling on everybody. That shit crazy. Motherfucker said I was going to take that secret to the grave, but since Cassie got that motherfucking $30 million, I might as well add myself on to the mesothelioma lawsuit and get paid. Okay. Because guess what? We know it's hard out here for a pimp when they trying to get the money for the rent, for the Cadillac and gas money spent. Will cause a whole lot of bitches jumping ship, baby, and they jumping that shit, baby. They said Diddy's told them, I'm going to make you a star. Diddy says, you want to be a star? They said, yeah, Diddy, I want to be a star. Make me a star. Baby, the boys is getting bent over on that balcony trying to be a motherfucker star. That shit crazy. You know what I'm saying? Now, y'all know I'm going back to my green. I've been loving it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't been doing nothing but bringing positivity and money in my motherfucking life, okay? So we gonna stick with the green. The new growth is giving. All my life I had to fight. And did. But, baby, y'all know Big Jordan gonna get it together. And y'all see my shit stretched out a little bit more. Okay? It's long. It ain't as short as it was portraying to be. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Now, he eating me down. Now, I'm going to take the green all the way down to the scalp. Y'all know I normally leave a little black, but I'm taking the green all the way down to the scalp. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't have time to keep getting my hair dyed. I'm already looking fried and laid to the side. You feel me? Now, y'all, I'm trying to be different, and I'm sitting here trying to think of a style that I want to get while this color sitting, baby. And he asked me right here, was you scratching? Baby, I lied and told him no, okay? Because I was scratching like a motherfucker, and my hair was burning. Okay, that scalp was burning because I was scratching. Okay, and while we talking about lying, okay? Y'all heard that shit about Nicki Minaj and them? Baby, Nicki been on the motherfucking internet cutting up, okay? Baby, Nicki said, I said what I said and I ain't apologizing, baby. Nicki called that girl everything but a motherfucking child of God, baby. Baby, Nicki basically said sis name was Pinocchio, okay? Nicki said you step on the crack and you broke your mama back, baby, and she did not apologize. You feel me? They been cutting up on the motherfucking internet, okay? Baby, Everybody out here got enemies, but I'm going to let y'all know now, you do not want to be a motherfucking enemy of Rick Ross, baby mama, baby. She'll steal your motherfucking self and turn it to her shit and make some money off of it. Y'all better stop playing. They in this motherfucker cutting up. And, baby, he cutting up on my scalp. Do y'all see the way he is scratching, baby? He is getting in there. I ain't had nobody touching on me in a long time, baby. I was laid back, baby. I forgot what I was saying. He was talking to me and I wasn't talking back, baby. I was just laying back. I kept looking, saying, huh? Baby, he was telling me some tea. I was like, that's crazy. You know how when you ain't paying attention? Baby, he was getting the fuck to it in my scalp. I needed every scrub. Baby, I think I fell asleep at one point. That's how good it was. You know what I'm saying? Baby, that man need an award for the way he's scratching on my motherfucking head. Okay. Done made me forget what I was saying. You know what I'm saying? Now then, after that, y'all see that green. Now, I ain't gonna show y'all what color he put in, because you know a lot of y'all be liking to steal and look like people. Go on look like your own motherfucking self. Stop stealing people's shit. You know what I'm saying? And y'all see that natural curl pattern. My hair kind of healthy. I don't be taking care of my shit. You know what I'm saying? And today I started telling them to cut my shit. You know what I'm saying? But in a world full of pixies, baby, I need to be different, because I did the pixies before too. So this time, y'all, I told him I need some dreads in my hair. You know what I'm saying? He was like, what? I said, yeah, I'm going to get some dreads, add some dreads, and just be different, stand out. I need some originality, okay? Because a lot of motherfuckers don't want to be they self. I want to be myself. I want to be original. You know what I'm saying? So now, y'all, after he went on ahead and got my color together, okay, and I knew he was getting my color right. I ain't think nothing twice about it. Baby, the hair was yellow. Baby, the color was almost gone. You know what I'm saying? Now, he hit me with a protein treatment and all of that. You know what I'm saying? And got me with the conditioner. Baby, my hair is healthy. It never gave crunchy edges. Okay. Don't let the first beginning of the video deceive you. My shit be nice. You get what I'm saying? After that, he said, Mink Little, your color is ready. And I'm letting y'all know now, I will never forgive y'all for that shit making Miss Charles and Miss Netta famous. Y'all motherfuckers know y'all wrong. Now, I call myself trying to add some dreads, baby. Look. Baby, I'm scared of the motherfucker. I don't want to add the dreads, baby. She put them in quick as hell. Say, hey, she cute too or whatever. Baby, it's in there now. It's in there. Baby, I'm a motherfucking roster. Okay? It's given. I told you I love you. You call me a liar. Yes. Okay. Big Jordan came and did what he came to do on the motherfucking ones. And the motherfucking twos. Yes. Okay. Baby, it's definitely given. She gorgeous. You gorgeous. Hey, you gorgeous. Don't fucking play with it, okay? Now, I'm letting y'all know now. It's giving everything that it need to give. It's different. You feel me? Ooh, she fine as hell, baby. Now, funny how time flies when you're having fun. But I did went on ahead and gave y'all that tea. I'm going to have to call y'all back. But I'm going to need y'all to go ahead and subscribe to that channel and keep up with a player. You feel me? Because I'm letting y'all know I got some shit up. It's definitely giving. Do you smell it? What the Rock is cooking? Dun-dun-dun-dun.